Country people, oh, how una dey? I sure say una dey can pay well. I don't come market again you with bad condition Vol.6. Hey, bad condition Vol.6 yo. Now him be the best. I beg you follow me enjoy him, brother. Now my choice. Plenty jokes to fool and pam. Now my choice. Current affairs yo. Now my choice. Hey. Okucha tobu onumo. Now my choice oh. Now my choice oh. Now my choice oh. Now my choice oh. Country people, ndimwe, ladies and gentlemen, papa, mama, oga, madam, even common ordinary boy, G7 up, very good. I dey throw away my salute and carry side they welcome you now to yet another fantastic and sarcastic edition of your favorite one-man talk show entertainment Gugu Yaya, current bad condition Vol.6, and by the special grace of Chineke God of Oseblo Wadiwenum, bad condition talk show series is 10-year-old. 10 years of initiating talk show in grand style, 10 years of undisputed leadership in talk show entertainment in Africa and beyond. Upon our wali lendile jo luche, ndile ajo chuche, ndile jahanya anapo mowa. Still I enokwa, ajade against because onyi shala asanele, to God be the glory. This edition of Ogbuagu and Ajukwaji Makwanda Ewo. So therefore, passenger waiting for motor the listing, and the driver mind your steering. As you dey laugh, civil servant, don't forget to say you dey for office as you dey laugh, and you madam wait there for kitchen as you dey laugh mind your one manoku. To one woman and Adiye for several years, Haloro, no issue. Emele Lumala, Fabake Beniladi Chiche, still no way. This woman alaga Bredi alaga one day with the three and way. So the woman received which a miracle for the lotta, Ogbuagu to Ikea. Even all our total experience in both for the Ndina miracle soon Kehanala. Pastor, there's a miracle here. This man came with bow legs, now he has K legs. So with Oglogo and Tachobilo Kukwe, this woman a question Kwalo me hane bere mepa panwaya. No munile yagamo, Nayaga dedicated to say Chineke, and now hadung a bidocha with God. Imakote aka Chineke Azayao, Yamu Kembo Goya God's power, Mwaka Bo Goya Godia, Mwaka to Goya God lead, Mwaka no Goya God win, ye make a habitola God or Wula. So the woman Amuaki say, Omapu Yalog, Uche Katala, no way, ye metizianya go, God forbid. For this edition, Agama Korunu, Otuma Bodges Edending work these days by Nkrodan or Kotikule, or Kanjali Titumu University students. On to Kem no say a photo, one lion, a labella cassette, came on Kanya, and you Plus, including the latest on GSM mobile phones and my experience with Indo Hinaram Motom on Tuesday, 5th February 2000. My good people of bad condition, ekwaka anale. True to God, ihe am le kwukwe dey kwa serious so if I dey lie make a shit for nigga. Bad boys from side Ola target Remo on Tuesday, 5th February 2002 at about 8:52 p.m. Napum Mercedes 200 flat boot msim wereziokwu gawa. I'm from my village. They enter Aba with some friends that night. Na his room as well with a white V boot. Check your onye V boot to stay large onye flat boot. Imagine the likeness. So na me we speed route Wala Junction ma break like pi. Na how am akwa egbariwe ibe elu. Na Udi obi gbafrum asị na m dị ndụ agara m anwụ that day. So after about 17 gun salutes, he mepere m ụzọ sị m, come down here, you fool. Any shaking now, you're a dead man. Say, biko, no shaking, no shaking, no shaking. Nne ga anwụla. Adị egwu mewerekwa adị ya na-ele anya ka m lee ma nwere onye m ga-ahụta ihu ya n'ime ha niile. Otu ka ọzọ echi n'azụ ụgbọja m na ndị ohi ahụkwa ndị ohi o. Cause I said, come on, close your eyes there, idiot. You want to see his face? Say, hey, no, son, Namugu. And I his face, I will go. Bad condition. So, can you lend down on that? But Ndi Okada ni lend on Wala Junction. I have a motorcycle, Hamial, Onyuku no Yenta also. Oh, we he kele Chineke. Na habu run sobum nile ni ma for ma hapromondo. Really, I lost a lot. The car, the cellular phone, and some other documents. Plus, attaching beam. But Kevin unlike that man of Obeka and in bank, that Allah, do here jam where to why your money on your life before the count of 3. Surrender 1. 1, 2. There, that's in doing on my surrender my life. Have me be him GMA hila. Adiego. About in here now, Clemoa, and 1 million naira on the boot of the car. You're so where? Because in doing I get 10,000, Gapotale claim law 50, each for 40. As soon as that day, we regret to announce the death of Uche Ogbuagu, left to mourn me, Abruzie, my rumpled parents, Mesomawam, and my fairly used wife. Plus concubines, so numerous to mention. My wife is sorry. Adiego. Before on February 5th, Gabriel no Again ihe niile ma ahụ furu efu. Why? Already ụfọdụ ndị m ji ụgwọ asị wala m forget. Akwela aghọta. Still uru enyemaka na-abịakwa from here and there. Ana m anọkwa na nrọ mgbe ụfọdụ na-ahụ ụfọdụ ndị bụ m n'obi ka ha na-akpọ m sị m bịa buru moto. But m tetekwa arụ ihe m la ahụ. Adiego. Moto ke ndị ibe m na-efu ewere polisi chọta ya. Just hụ dị ya